Welcome to MyExcelWorld video tutorial number 6. MyExcelWorld Excel Add-in is a business optimization tool. Select and deselect cells. Select merge cells in this worksheet. Select merge cells in the active worksheet. Go to Cells, and click on Select and choose Select Merge Cells in this worksheet. Go to Merge Cells in the selection. Select Merge Cells in the selection. Go to Cells, and click on Select and choose Go to Merge Cells in the selection. Go to Unlock Cells. Let's unlock some cells. Select Unlock Cells in the selection. Go to Cells, and click on Select and choose Go to Unlock Cells. Deselect Ranges. Ignore range or ranges from the selection. Go to Cells, and click on Deselect. To ignore multi-ranges from selection, just press Ctrl and select the range. See you next time for another tutorial.